In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view issues linked to an epic in Jira. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to stay organized and manage their projects effectively. Now let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to head over to your Jira project. Once you're there, you'll need to navigate to either your board or your backlog view. This is typically where you'll find a comprehensive overview of your current project, including all its tasks and issues. It provides a solid starting point for managing your workflow and assessing what needs to be done. Next, you'll need to locate the particular epic you're interested in. These are often the big items that sit above the normal tasks and stories, representing significant pieces of work or a large theme of work to be completed. From your backlog or board view, click directly on the epic name. This simple action will help you access more detailed information about this epic. Clicking on the epic name will open a side panel. This panel is your gateway to the inner details of your epic. Here, you can access various pieces of information, from high-level summaries to specific data points. It's a great feature that Jira offers because it keeps everything within easy reach as you work on your project management tasks. As you explore this side panel, scroll down until you reach the Child Issues section. This part is particularly noteworthy as it offers a direct view into the structure of your epic. The Child Issues section acts as a repository of everything that falls under the overarching epic. Think of it as the hub where all related tasks congregate, making it easier to see how the various components fit together. Finally, within the Child Issues section, you'll find a detailed list that includes all the linked stories, tasks, and subtasks associated with the epic. This comprehensive list allows you to visually track progress and understand the scope of work involved in that specific epic. It highlights not just the individual issues, but the broader context in which they exist, helping you manage and reprioritize as needed. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to viewing issues linked to an epic in Jira. This process not only enhances your efficiency, but also keeps your project management efforts organized and transparent. By regularly checking the Child Issues section, you'll maintain a clear understanding of project progression, ensuring that all team members are aligned and tasks are on track. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in demystifying how to view issues under an epic. Stay tuned for more Jira tips and tricks. Until next time, happy project managing.